is Langkanaya Ronaldin O from grade 12 Stellar, and today I'll be making a tomato sauce. Prepare the ingredients. Boil the tomato. Peel the tomato. Stir fry the onion. Add the tomato, then mix. Put it in the blender, then blend it. This is the final tomato sauce. Go. How would you rate the taste and flavor of the sauce? Why?
9/10 kasi para sa akin masarap siya tas matamis.
Is the texture and consistency of the sauce appropriate?
Para sa akin hindi masyado kasi sobrang lapot niya.
What do you like the most about the sauce?
Yung lasa niya tas yung color niya.
What improvements would you recommend to make the sauce better?
Siguro sa texture niya sobrang lapot, parang kailangan pa palamnawin.
Would you be willing to eat or use this sauce again? Why or why not?
For me, yes. Basta i-improve lang yung texture niya.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate the overall quality of the sauce?
4 out of 5.
Thank you.